You're a great photographer. Your work is exceptional. But how much of your time do you actually spend shooting, and how much on all the other things that keep your business running? Selling, marketing, bookkeeping? You want to be able to focus on your work, not on selling your services. It's frustrating to know your work is great, but still invisible to agents. That's why we built the CubiCasa Photographer Marketplace. It's an active tool that gets your work directly in front of agents who are looking to hire. To be clear, this isn't another passive directory where you pay for your portfolio to collect dust. And you might think, great, another online directory that won't make a difference. Honestly, you'd be right if that's all it was. The difference is the connection. The marketplace is integrated with over 120 MLS systems. When an agent in your area needs a photographer, they find you right where they already work, in their MLS. They aren't searching Google. They're clicking the Find a Photographer button inside the tool they use every single day. Your profile isn't just in the MLS. Our marketplace is actively promoted in webinars and training sessions to more than 1 million agents nationwide. We get you in front of the people who are actively booking shoots. Second, trust. We get you in front of the people who are actively booking shoots. You're not just a random name from the internet. You're presented by a brand agents already know, CubiCasa and their own MLS. And most importantly, for our preferred pro photographers, your name is featured on every CubiCasa tour. Your work markets itself to agents every time they share that tour with a client. And third, it solves the outdated portfolio problem. You know you need to update your website, but it's the last thing you have time for. The marketplace profile updates automatically. Every time you deliver a scan through CubiCasa, your recent work gallery populates itself. Agents see your latest projects, not work from 6 months ago. You look active and reliable with zero extra cost. So stop wasting time chasing clients. Supercharge your profile, get in front of booking agents, and reach the top of the market with the Preferred Pro program.